Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and Aliexpress came in my mail. Let's open it up. Doesn't feel like dolls, and I am expecting a lot of dolls to be showing up. I have ordered, well, on November 11th, they had a big sale. I mean, really big, good sale. I got up at 2 a.m. so that I would get the dolls that I wanted. And I ordered a bunch. Darren got up with me, and I had already had them in my cart, and I went through the ones in my cart. It was really fun, but they have not shown up. But I got some other stuff too, because like I said, that was a good sale. I was hoping they'd all be here by Christmas. They are still not. I love these. These are just little black rubbery type Mary Jane Blythe shoes. I love them. They, in a pinch, they put shoes on a doll's feet. I like to put these in gifts because you never know if the person has little black shoes to go with what you're sending or not. Oh, I want to be careful with this one. Looks like Customs might have opened this one. Oh boy. This one, I'm going to do more, and I just did my nails. More tearing than, oh boy. Oh, I see what it is. Boy, I don't really need to be careful too. Sorry for the delay. Here we go. These I ordered now because it takes so long. The price is so good on Aliexpress. I don't mind the wait unless the wait over exceeds where it needs to be. Thank goodness that those dolls weren't Christmas presents. Although I did send one of mine out to someone that I'll get a replacement. Look at these. These are fantastic for Blythe size. These little, oh God, these are cute. Little stuffed, articulated at the arms and legs. Are these the cutest? Bunny rabbits. I had ordered bunny rabbits. This is what I'm talking about with Aliexpress. Last year at Easter, I ordered white rabbits. I needed it not only for an Easter gift, but also for a collab that I was doing with Tammy Polly for Alice in Wonderland. They did not show up. I was not happy. And I had to send a stupid rabbit in its place, and well, they got something. Okay, these are really cool. I got these like for less than $1. I am quite thrilled. I got myself one. Oh, they're cool. It is a little knit sweater dress for a Blythe or a Barbie. How cute is that? Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel, and once again, I'm waiting for Aliexpress. I'll show you the dolls when they arrive. Oh, I ordered two that I hurried down the steps at 2 a.m. to get because they're so pretty. They have silvery purple hair. I got one. I actually ordered three. One was a darker skin and two were lighter skins. And the darker skin got here. Oh, I'm so in love with that doll. It is like a silvery purple, and I've got two more coming. I can't wait to show you those. Those were the two I hurried down the steps for. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.